On the screen, you can see the portfolio of Copilot products. And the main difference between Copilot and a Copilot product with ChatGPT is in the security and privacy of your data. Every tool that is highlighted on the screen will guarantee enterprise protection of your data, commercial protection for your data. None of your data that you will put in any Copilot product will be shared with OpenAI, will be shared with Microsoft, and what is most important, that data will not be used to teach large language models behind. And if you will use solution based on Microsoft 365, the data will not leave your tenant. That's why it's super important to select the proper Copilot product to proper professional enterprise usage of generative AI tools. So let's test how this solution will work with similar prompts that we used in our chat GPT earlier, and you will see that you will get very similar results from the perspective of the quality of the data, but still there will be a little more information that you can use in here. First of all, you get the information about the overview of Microsoft Corporation, biggest innovations, information about current strategy, revenue results, and also predictions about the future. One more information, which is from my perspective super important, and that's a bigger difference between free ChatGPT, remember where you're paying by your data, with Copilot that is included in the license. You get very detailed information from where specific paragraphs, specific information is provided for. So this tool, this Copilot chat in Microsoft 365 can bing the information across internet and deliver you the feedback based on the large language model, but also the knowledge that is included in general in the internet. So let's check how Copilot in Microsoft 365 could help you to work with the data that is stored in the Microsoft 365. For instance, let's ask Copilot who are the people in my team with whom I can work with. And you can see this is the data taken from the specific my profile in the Microsoft 365. Moreover, we can dig into that information and ask Copilot to prepare the summary of the contacts for the people that you are working with. And again, you can see we're getting very clear information about people from your team in the Microsoft 365, in the Azure Entra ID. You will get information about the position, department, address, city, email address, and also first and second name. And all of that is taken from the data available in the Microsoft 365 with the emails, from the documents that you're working with these people. You can see we're asking Copilot to create the form and we're thinking about the results. We're thinking about the goal, what we want to achieve, but using that kind of form. We want to gather the feedback on the career development, company leadership. That's our goal. And when we asking Copilot to create such a form, then Copilot figuring out form structure for us. And you can see, of course, we can ask Copilot, okay, redo it. I don't like this proposal. Let's change it and think about something else. But in the end, the whole structure for the form is created by AI. What we're asking in the prompting, what we want to achieve. We're thinking about the goal behind that kind of form that we want to create, the survey that we want to create. And you can already see this totally different approach when you're thinking about what do you want to achieve and how you're gathering these goals, how you're achieving that goals. We building the structure, or we asking AI, we telling AI what we want to achieve, and AI doing that in behalf of us. What we can do, we can select two offers from our vendor, which could be totally different. We could compare, could contain a little different data in here. And you can see, in this case, Copilot will be able to see which elements are present in the specific offer but are missing in the other. And again, you can see in here, we have some special offers in one offer On another, we have additional customization, and again, we can ask Copilot which offer is better, and again, Copilot will not tell us select this one, but will highlight the differences and additional values between them. And you can see all of that structure that are prepared between these two offers is something that is done by AI. So imagine if you have sales or procurement department that working a lot with the offers, with the proposals, with the RFPs, this functionality could really save tons of time if you need to compare 5 offers from 5 different vendors. Again, will not select and choose in behalf of you, but could really help you to highlight specific information and do quicker analysis based on that kind of summary.